Всем привет! We are continuing working with our worksheets, and today we are working with the instrumental case. And you will see that these items should be familiar to you from the worksheet that we worked with nominative. And again, all of these words are in the description to this video. Okay, let me pull it up.
If you like it, please click like. If it's useful, drop a line. If you love it, hit subscribe. Like me, подпишись и комментарий напиши.
Okay, so here are correct responses, and our phrase is "С чем чай будешь?", which is a really common thing to say to your friends or relatives when they stop by, and Russians always treat you to tea. It's just kind of like a go-to. Like here in America, people usually offer water. Would you like some water or something else? But in Russian, it's almost by default tea. And when we're offering tea, as I said before, we usually have it with something. So after, the question "Чай будешь?", once you sit down, and then the next question would be "С чем чай будешь?", what will you have your tea with? And here are all of the things that you might have tea with. Okay, so let me go over them one after another, and I will be pronouncing the form, and if it needs an additional grammar explanation, I will give it to you. Otherwise, just look up the nominative forms in the descriptions to this video and track the changes down with my charts. Okay. С лимоном. С лимоном. С пончиками. С пончиками. С сахаром. С сахаром. С бутербродом. С бутербродом. С молоком. С молоком. С шоколадкой. С шоколадкой. С мятой. С мятой. С вафлями. С вафлями. С тортом. С тортом. Со сливками. Со сливками. Next one is с зефиром. С зефиром. С конфетами. С конфетами. С печеньем. С печеньем. С мармеладом. С мармеладом. And I did explain what zephyr is and marmelade and a couple of notes about печенье, again, in that video nominative case. С орехами и сухофруктами. С орехами и сухофруктами. С пирожками. С пирожками. С имбирем. С имбирем. С медом. С медом. С вареньем. С вареньем. С булочками. С булочками. And of course, in reality, when somebody asks you "С чем чай будешь?", you will ask "А что есть?" and "What do you have?" And then they will tell you "I have this and this". У меня есть лимон и молоко и вафли. And you can say "Okay, я буду чай с молоком", or "Я буду чай с вафлями". And here is another kind of like a question for you to practice. А ты любишь пить чай с? And you can ask one of those things. So, а ты любишь пить чай с вареньем? Or а ты любишь пить чай с мятой? Or а ты любишь пить чай с молоком? Или or со сливками? And let me show you some of the options for responses. And I'm gonna pull it up into right here. Okay, so here we have очень люблю, which means, oh, I love it so much. Я очень люблю пить чай с молоком, with milk. Люблю, I like it. Я люблю пить чай с булочками. Я люблю пить чай с булочками. Не очень люблю. I don't like it very much. Like I can do it, but I just don't like it very much. Я не очень люблю пить чай с орехами и сухофруктами. Не люблю, I don't like it. Я не люблю пить чай с имбирем. I actually like it, but just for practice. Я не люблю пить чай с имбирем. Я очень не люблю. And here we really have to, I'm like, I really hate it. I don't like it at all. Я очень не люблю пить чай с... I actually like it all, but let's say, я очень не люблю пить чай с шоколадкой. Even though I do like it. Okay, I like it all. I don't have a sweet tooth, but I like my tea with something. Okay, let me read it one more time for you. Очень люблю, люблю, не очень люблю, не люблю, очень не люблю. Okay, there you go. And here is already our next worksheet. Let me set it up. So here again, we are looking at the prepositional case, and this time before we looked at the locations where you are with the preposition "в" and "на", and here I just decided to record this video too with the preposition about, even though the prepositional case is getting a lot more attention than other cases in these worksheets. But here we have different topics that you might want to talk about, or maybe you like talking about it. Okay, and here are the words, and again, all of these words are in the prepositional case. So do your best trying to figure out which word goes with which picture. Some of the things you can look it up. It's very good practice. And then in the next video, we're going to go over all of these vocabulary items in the prepositional case. Okay, that's it for today. Keep learning Russian. Пока-пока.
If you like it, please click like.